Okay, so for a very long time I've been pretty unhappy with the elbows in the combined form of Devastator. This is the Unite Warriors. This is Scavenger here. I had read online that someone suggested replacing the pins with screws and such. Here's the actual elbow joint. You can see right here. There's a screw in here. Used to be a pin. That pin right there. The screw is actually an M2.6 by 16 millimeter. It's all I could find that fit the bill. I did have to widen the hole so it would sit recessed in there. Pin vise would be the way to go. I did not have one. I had a bunch of metal drill bits. I think I used 5 30-seconds and 11/64 to widen the hole. I just just put them in a pair of pliers and spun it around and widened the hole pretty well. Here are the screws I used. The M2.6 16 millimeter. That seems to work. I did it on Bone Crusher as well. You can see over here that little black screw is the original Bone Crusher screw. You can see how much longer the new screws are, so that tightened them up as well. Is it 100% fixed? No. Is it an improvement? Yes. Anyway, I'll put a link for those screws in the description, and mod at your own risk. Good luck. Take care. Bye.